Here's that nice turquoise color again. And some hooker's green, I think. Deciding which stencils I want to use. So those ones are potted plant number 4. Oh, hi, Tiki. Cat has come to visit. It's almost time for food. So if you want to try this out without making a purchase, I have a free stencil. You can find the link below. So you can download that, import the files to your cutting software, and then you can cut it on your Silhouette machine or your Cricut machine, depending on what you have. So all of my stencils are available in my shop as digital downloads. You can find the links for every one of them in the description below. I really like the multicolors here. Those are so much fun. Okay, more parchment. Super thin layer, just for a pickup print. If you have your paint too thick for a pickup print, it takes forever to dry, and there's no need for that. So that's why I keep it thin. I've let that sit for a few minutes. You can tell because I cut the video. And pulling the print. I think this is one of my favorite prints from this whole session. Okay, dark brown. Got some more offcuts here. Now I'm just playing with that silhouette, really. So those are offcuts from Potted Plant 4, 14, and I think 3. Those are some great silhouettes.